China appears to be preparing to build a fourth aircraft carrier and new type of frigate more suited for high seas operations to complement its future carrier battlegroups. Recent satellite photos revealed two FC-31's Gear-Valken stealth fighters parked alongside several J-15 Flying Shark carrier-borne fighters at the People's Liberation Army (PLA) flight facility in Liaoning province, hinting that the FC-31 may be positioned aboard China's two carriers, the Liaoning and Shandong. The joint appearance of the two types of warplanes may also hint at initial operational preparations for constructing a fourth aircraft carrier capable of operating both types of fighters. At present, the Liaoning is equipped with 26 J-15s, and the Shandong with 32 J-15 units. Neither carrier currently operates the FC-31. The fifth-generation stealth fighter was developed as a private venture by the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation (SAC), and first flew in 2012. The FC-31 was also marketed for export but without any commercial success. In 2019, the FC-31 was rejected by the PLA Air Force in favor of the J-20 as its premier fifth-generation fighter. However, SAC hinted in early 2021 that it will accelerate the further development of the FC-31, with the jet's chief designer Sun Kong stating in a press conference that the type would indeed serve in future on China's aircraft carriers. China's third Type 003 carrier was supposed to be launched on April 23, but delays in deliveries of critical components and workforce quarantines hindered progress. Unlike the Liaoning and Shandong, China's Type 003 carrier would be equipped with an electromagnetically assisted launch system (EMALS) that does not require nuclear power. Compared to traditional steam catapults, EMALS are known to be easier to operate, gentler on airframes, can launch heavier aircraft and can put more aircraft in the air in a shorter amount of time. In contrast, the Liaoning and Shandong employ an older ski ramp design, which limits the carried fuel and armament of its embarked aircraft. Some suggest these developments indicate that China is on track to building a fourth aircraft carrier. In February 2018, China State Shipbuilding Corporation (CSSC) said that it has started development on a nuclear-powered carrier that would help the PLA Navy realize its strategic transformation and combat readiness capability in deep waters and open oceans by 2025. Leaked details from CSSC state that China's fourth carrier will displace between 90,000 and 100,000 tons and have EMALS catapults for getting aircraft off the deck. It'll likely carry a large air wing of J-15 fighters, J-31 stealth fighters, KJ-600 airborne early warning and control aircraft, anti-submarine warfare helicopters, and stealth attack drones. China's Type 003 carrier may thus be a transition design from the ski ramp decks of the Liaoning and Shandong to a conventionally powered EMALS system in the Type 003, before moving on to nuclear power. This March, the Wangpu Wenchong shipyard issued an open tender for super high-strength structural steel of the kind used in military hulls, fueling speculation that China will begin work on a new type of frigate to complement its Type 003 carrier. China's new frigate, dubbed as the Type 54B, is seen as the successor of the Type 54A. Compared to the Type 54A, concept art of the Type 54B shows new radars and an 8-tube HQ-10 CIWS missile launcher on top of the hangars. Compared to the Type 54A, the Type 54B has a bow-mounted Type 730 30mm close-in weapons system, CIWS, 16 extra vertical launch systems VLS cells mounted amidships and hangars for 2 helicopters. The class would also likely feature improvements in speed, range, subsystems and endurance compared to the 054A.